This Realty ONE Group Select property video is presented by Jessie Hudson. Move right into this adorable, low-maintenance condo. Convenient location to Arden shopping, restaurants, and the Asheville airport, yet tucked away in quiet Stafford Crossing. Downstairs features the living room, laundry, kitchen with bar, and lovely breakfast area overlooking the back deck with grassy area and mature trees for privacy. Both bedrooms are located upstairs and have double closets for storage and Jack and Jill bathroom. Unit includes one assigned parking space, and numerous visitor spaces are available nearby for additional parking. For more information, review the details below.